Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image. Well, actually I made this, what do you call it? Using a lithofilm to make it some multiple exposure type image. But this was analog age, long time ago. Well, I shot this model with 120 film a lot, including a 4x5 reversal film. Pick one image, then make a lithofilm. I don't know if you guys heard about the lithofilm. That's a black and white using that newspaper or something like that. Well, to make it converting this original image with background, just cut out and stuff. This is analog. No, nothing like digital at all. Well, anyways, I have this image and I have this pencil drawing type image. This was made by Adobe Photoshop, used to filter code find edges, as always these days. And well, I want to make some kind of light illustration from these two images. This pencil drawing type image, I pretty much like it, and I don't know how I can express these two images. Well, I have square canvas size this time. The reason why I choose square canvas size because I want to move cropping differently. I want to move this image like, let's see, like so. The movement, even though this much, yeah, shows more nice image, I think, like so. Okay, then now I got this image like so, but I want to use this pencil drawing type image, this drawing, but I want to check effect with changing this blend mode. Bizarre. Well, this is pretty good. Overlay 50%. Nice effect of this handcuff. What else? This is pretty interesting image, isn't it? As a background. Well, luminosity. I think this one is pretty good too. I decided to use this vivid light as one image. That's kind of interesting. Okay, now I'm selecting both two layers, so I'm gonna make group, then duplicate this group. Now I'm going to flatten this image. Now we got this image. Then, well, let me see, turn it off. Then I'm going to find out another one. Overlay, about 50%. We see here, handcuffs, image, about 50, right? Okay, I may use the effect of the handcuffs. Let's see, about some kind of lightning image. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I want to fix this image as a one layer. Now duplicate this group again and flatten the image. Now we got this handcuff effect on this layer. Now, then I'm going to turn it off right now, and let's see the other effect. I may change the luminosity. So I'm gonna make this one duplicate again, then flatten the image. Now I got this image too, but this color is pretty thin, so I'm gonna duplicate again. Then let's see, change to multiply. Goes darker, these color lines. Then I'm gonna merge down Okay, we got to merge down this image as a one layer. This is pretty interesting, I think. Now, we have this original image. Then I'm gonna break this group out. So I'm gonna bring this one out to the group. Then I'm gonna delete this. Now we got the 5 images. I'm gonna rename all 5 images. Now I finished rename all the layers. First of all, this is original image, then pencil drawing type image. Now it's luminosity blend mode, bring back to normal image, pencil drawing image. Then this is a luminosity effect layer. I doubled color. Then this is one luminosity effect layer, double the color. Then next one is overlay effect 50%. Then vivid light effect. Okay, we got 5 images. Then I think this is pretty interesting color and a real bizarre image. So I'm gonna use this one as a base image. I don't know how I'm gonna combine the images. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add layer. I think this evolve has same kind of texture, I think. Let's see. Pick some color. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, I'm gonna move these 2 layers. Move down. I'm gonna turn it off, this original image. Okay, about her face. Well, let's see. I'm gonna make mask. Turn it on. That's right. I'm gonna invert this mask. Then reveal this. Evolve. I want to lighten up this image, so I'm going to duplicate layer. Then, okay, I'm going to delete this mask. Then just turn it off to keep it this original image. Move all the way bottom. Keep this original. Then I'm going to lighten up this image. Okay. Brightness and saturation up. Let's see her face. Brightness, saturation up. Okay. Then now, before. Now I want to make a contrast up, so use curves. Just down the bottom. maybe this much, kind of reddish. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to use this handcuffs effect from here. Okay, I'm going to make mask. Now invert mask. Then reveal this, same, evolve. And this much. Okay, I'm gonna just clean up here. I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image so I don't use this original and pencil drawing type image now. Now I just add this color for this base image. The original image I'm using only for her face and hands. Then this one is handcuff from overlay effect. Now this is the base I was gonna use. So now let's see how much I'm gonna use this. How I'm gonna use this. Let me change this blend mode to darken. Okay, how about overlay? Okay, before we change blend mode, I'm gonna like bottom here, I'm gonna use same bonobo chalk and just clean up. Now let's see. Over this, let's see, same evolve. Okay, pretty interesting effect here. Overlay effect. Okay, let me see this mask. Shows here, pretty interesting too. So, okay, I'm gonna review this too. More color on here. Now, luminosity effect layer on. Luminosity effect layer, but change blend mode to overlay effect. Okay, from here, I'm going to clean up some touch up overall image. If I clean up this mask texture, it'll maybe easy to see more than now. Okay, I'm gonna paint here. Well, now I want to explain. Okay, this is this original shot and pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image, vivid light, to get this effect fixed. This is this one. I'm going to turn it off, the base. Then I just add the color, corners and stuff to fix this image to this. Then after that, I add this original image, lighten up just a touch. Well, contrast and color changed some to this image. Then use a mask. I use the original image this much. Then after that, add this handcuff image, which is overlay effect image. Lighten up. Then last, luminosity effect layer. I add overall image to lighten up. Well, I guess that's it for today, and pretty bizarre, vivid colors. This is some kind of illustration, I think, and nice to have some experience to me. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea to change in blend mode to get some different expression from different blend mode. Then maybe make mask to add some part. Then using the base image, change the appearances, which is this adjustments. To lighten up type stuff, and I add colors to get some illustration. Well, thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day. I just add some interesting brush here. That's all to it. Well, thank you, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.